Does it take a few days for exact and phrase match campaigns to start running? I have two campaigns, one exact and one phrase match, that are created for about 190 proven keywords from search terms that have converted in my other campaigns, but for some reason are not showing any impressions yet. It's been one day though, but wanted to ask. Okay, so these are working, these are proven keywords. I would like to know why you have created a new campaign. Why not scale that campaign with more budget? Unless you are bidding differently or possibly running this campaign in a different location, I don't see any reason why you would do that. The other thing is you may be testing different target CPA or target ROAS, then I can understand that. And if that's the main goal of this campaign, then yes, what you are targeting for the bids is not aggressive enough, and that existing campaign, which is proven, which is running and converting, as you say, is going to take up all that traffic, because there's only one campaign which is going to go in that auction and not the multiple campaigns. So try upping up the bidding, increase the bids, and see what happens on that new campaign. That's what I would do. But it doesn't mean that you got exact and phrase that is going to take a few days. Sometimes it does. If after a few days you checked everything, everything is working fine, still doesn't work, switch it off, start a new campaign again, and that seems to do the trick.